Hello students, my name is Nitish Chandra and I am lecturer in James Polytechnic College. Today I am going to teach about special integrals. In last lecture we have seen the integration basics of integrations and the some important formulas of integration. So I am going to start with special integrals with formula like fx upon fx, integration of f dash x upon fx equal to log of log base e mod fx plus c. That is if numerator is dc of denominator then integration is log of denominator. ओके, इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर ये if fx इक्वल टू x देन f डैश क्या हो जाएगा हमारा 1 हो जाएगा. अगर हम if फंक्शन इज लाइक दिस तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 बाई एक्स dx, तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा log e x प्लस c. ये हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा. तो अगर इस तरह इफ द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन लाइक दिस then we have to we can solve it. Okay, so it is like a to solve MCQ. Okay, next is integration of f dash x upon root under fx dx equal to 2 root fx plus c. This is second rule. Okay, that is if numerator is dc of square root of a function of a present in denominator, then integration is twice of the denominator. Okay. इसका मतलब ये है for example if I am taking one example, then if fx is x, suppose that, then root fx is root x. Okay, then f dash x is 1. So the integral function will become 1 upon root x dx. and it will be 2 root x plus c. Okay, this will be the answer. Okay, so these are the some direct. Okay, third one is integration of tan x dx equal to minus log e mod cos x plus c. This you have to mug up. Or here if I am going to eliminate the minus sign, then it will become log e sec x plus c. Okay. Fourth is integration of cot x dx equal to log e sin x plus c. Similarly, fifth equation is integration of sec x dx equal to log of e sec x plus tan x plus c. That is log of e tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Okay. Sixth one is like similarly the same formula is for integration of cosec x. Integration of cos x dx equal to log cosec x plus cot x plus c. That could be converted into, like, if you solve these things, then it will be like tan x by 2. You just simplify these things, it will become like this. Okay, seventh is integration of 1 upon a square plus x square dx minus, okay, square minus root equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c, where x should be greater than a. Okay. Next one is integration of 1 upon root under x square plus a square dx equal to log mod x plus root under x square plus a square plus c. Next formula is integration of 1 by root under x square minus a square dx equal to log e x plus x square minus a square plus c. Next one is integration of 1 upon x square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Integration of 1 upon x square minus a square equal to dx. Now 1 upon 2a log 1 x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Next is integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx equal to 1 upon 2a log a minus x upon a plus x on a minus x plus c. 13 is integration of x square minus a square dx equal to x by 2 root under x square minus a square minus 1 by 2 a square log x plus root under x square minus a square plus c. Okay. Similarly, we can see about 14th number, integration of root under x square plus a square dx equal to, we can prove this formula, but later it will definitely come. Okay, so no need to worry, just these are the shortcuts, and you have to, if you want to remember, then you can remember. Just I have given the brief about the formula. These formulas are frequently using to solve integration problem. Okay, so I am just giving brief. You can prove it also. Okay, these formulas are derived from the equation only, so no need to worry how it came, how it, just mug up now, and if I have the time is allowed, then I will show you how this formula came. Okay, inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, so these are the special formula that we have to write in your notebook, and you have to remember. Okay, now I am going to teach about what are the rules of integrals, rules of integrations. Rule of integration. Okay. The process of differentiation and integration are inverse as we have already seen. So in that we are seeing that a d of integration of fx dx equal to fx plus c, that is differentiation of an integral of a function is that function. Okay. B is integration of f dash x dx equal to fx plus c. Now second one rule is integration of fx plus gx dx equal to integration of fx dx plus third one is k fx dx equal to constant will be outside and we have to integrate only fx. So these are some basic rules of integration. So no need to worry about how to. This will come. Simply we have teach about the rules of integration. We will see how to apply these formulas and these rules. Okay. So today class is this much only. Next class we will see the method of integrations. Okay. How many types of integration is there, and how to solve these types of integration. So summarization, we will see what we learned today. First we have learned about the special integral, that integration of f dash x upon fx equal to log e fx plus c. Second is integration of f dash x upon root under fx dx equal to 2 root fx plus c. Integration tan x equal to log e sec x plus c. Integration of cot x equal to log e sin x plus c. Integration of sec x equal to log sec x plus tan x plus c. So different types of integration we have seen. So in first lecture I have given the regular formula, and in second lecture I have given special formula and rules of integration. Okay. So in rules of integration we have seen about antiderivative of any integral is fx only. Integration of f dash x or f dash of x dx equal to fx. If two parts are there, then we can integrate different form. If constant is there, then we can put outside the constant from the integral. So these are the things today I have covered. So thank you very much for listening this lecture. Please subscribe GPC channel for more videos. Okay. Thank you.